What you need is a shortcut where you can move your cursor to the end of the line without having to use your shift and right arrow. You want a faster way to get this done. This video is going to do just that. If you are having an issue, for instance, where you type position, you accept the suggestion at this point and try to go with tab, hoping to move your cursor to the next line instead of adding a space if you have this issue. So to fix this, if you're using a Windows operating system, you hold Ctrl S or Ctrl K, or if you're using a Mac, you go Command S or Command K. When you do that, you're going to be greeted with this page, and all you have to do is come over here to the search bar and type cursor. In camel case, you go word and right. All camel casing, make sure there is no space so that you can see this option. And when you get this option, you click on it and you will be greeted with this prompt where you can set any key on your computer to move your cursor to the next space after whatever you type. You can also have this issue when you type a class name and you're trying to go to the apostrophe, the next apostrophe, and when you type tab, some computers this works automatically, but for some it doesn't. So if it doesn't work for you, this is how you get that fixed. So when you get this prompt option, you can simply just click on the tab or any other key you want to be set as what takes the cursor to the next page. For me, I'm going to choose tab as my option. When I do that and click enter, I have this set. So let's test that right here. I'm just going to start it from the beginning to see the full effect. Position, enter, absolute, and tab. So if you noticed it, it went to the next line, which makes coding more efficient and straight to the point. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends.